Welcome back to our high-fidelity home theater and audiophile gear showcase. Today, we are breaking down a masterpiece of acoustic precision, engineered specifically for those who value speed, accuracy, and absolute musical texture over sloppy, overwhelming room boom. This is the Bowers Wilkins ASW610 subwoofer from their legendary 600 series. When most people shop for a subwoofer, they get blinded by massive power numbers and giant cabinets, often ending up with a ported bass box that sounds boomy, muddy, and completely detached from the main stereo speakers. Bowers Wilkins entirely solves this common problem through meticulous driver material composition and a strictly sealed acoustic layout. It is highly valuable to clarify a crucial acoustic principle regarding subwoofer configurations right away. Ported subwoofers use an open tube to artificially boost volume, which introduces minor timing delays and overhang. The ASW610 uses a completely closed, acoustic suspension design. This means the air trapped inside the cabinet acts as a perfectly uniform spring, snapping the driver back to its center point instantly, delivering highly analytical bass that stops and starts on an absolute dime. The primary mechanical engineering and material triumph of the ASW610 centers completely on its specialized 10-inch composite cone and its high-current internal amplification block. Instead of relying on generic plastic or heavy metal cones, Bowers Wilkins weaves a proprietary blend of finely ground paper pulp, Aramid fibers, and resin. This creates an incredibly rigid yet feather-light transducer that resists cone flexing even under massive cinematic loads, maintaining flawless pistonic movement. Driving this advanced cone is a highly efficient, 200-watt continuous Class D IC power module. Because the amplifier is coupled with a smart, multi-stage digital signal processor, the subwoofer remains perfectly cool and stable, allowing the low-end notes to dug down to a stellar 26 Hz without losing a shred of detail or introducing harmonic distortion. But what truly transforms this subwoofer into a permanent masterstroke for versatile audio setups is its advanced rear integration panel and its flexible room tuning controls. On the back command deck, you are treated to a full suite of parameters, including independent line-level RCA inputs and high-level speaker binding posts. This allows you to hook the subwoofer straight into a modern multi-channel home theater receiver, or split the signal from a classic, vintage 2-channel integrated amplifier lacking a dedicated subwoofer out. To make placement in your home effortless, the panel features a brilliant 3-position bass extension switch. This adjusts the internal electronic roll-off curve, allowing you to choose between maximum depth for dedicated home theaters or tighter roll-offs tailored perfectly for small, intimate stereo listening rooms.